mind this entire. If you're more, you you will nearly want to get great, but like I disappeared from YouTube. Never, it's not my plan. Never planned it, but I did not have a choice. Life happens to me. I had to quit one to accept one. Like, you know, I had to quit one to accept one. When life happens to you, you have to quit one to accept one. But well, anyway, I'm back here and I'm here to tell you guys my experience. Everything you need to know. Yes, I'm here to tell you guys my experience so that you don't go and do the same mistake. Okay? So please stay tuned, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to be updated each time I drop any video on this channel. Yes, guys. So it's gonna be a banger. A postpartum mom, a exclusive breastfeeding mom, school runs, skincare tips, DIYs, and skincare formulation business. Okay, running a business as a mom. Okay, so she's sleeping. Yeah, awake, mommy. Say hi. Say hi. I'm back, you guys. Vivian here, founder of Olyveen Skincare. So, guys, I've really missed you all. If you're just tuning to my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Vivian. Yes, the founder of Olyveen Skincare. I've left YouTube for a couple of months. Not that is intentional, that I want to leave YouTube, but trust me, it has not been easy. Being mom of 5 and a 4-month postpartum, you guys, it's not easy. It's a long story, it's a lot of story, and I was thinking I'm going to carry you guys along while being pregnant, during my pregnancy and all the rest, but guys, life happened to me and it didn't come out the way I planned it. So yeah, I was the story for another day, you guys. But trust me, my disappearance from YouTube is not like it's intentional that I want to disappear. Breastfeeding plus school runs plus business, and it's a whole lot. Like, it was so overwhelming. It was so overwhelming, but trust me, I am back now. Like, no matter what it takes, I told myself I want to do some documentation. I didn't do it for all of my previous children, but this one I said I want to do some documentation on this one. Yes, guys, I will be sharing my postpartum lifestyle here. Yes, I will be sharing my breastfeeding, safe breastfeeding and safe skincare products that I incorporated, and I'm also incorporating the tips, the things you need to know if you're a pregnant person, the things you need to know. A lot of tips that I have to tell you all. Like, you know, when you born 1, 2, 3, like, you will be more experienced. They say experience teaches you more than any other thing, and I'm here to share my tips and my experience with a lot of you. Okay, so you guys, if you know this is really what you want to do, and don't forget, we also share DIYs as well. We share DIYs and skincare formulation. This channel is for everybody. I will be dropping and telling you the real facts. Okay, if you're a pregnant woman, the things you need to do from the week 1 to your 30 or 40 weeks of your pregnancy. Just stay tuned. For my old subscribers, you guys know that I keep it real. I don't fake anything. There is nothing like filter. I'm just going to be real with you all. Okay, so this is for those my tired mom who think like everything is getting overwhelming. Trust me, you are not alone. You are not alone. So I will be giving you guys all my tips. I'll be giving you guys all my tips, how I manage everything. Like, it's not easy. If I say it's easy, trust me, I'm just lying. It has not been easy being a mom, being a breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding mom. Let me put it that way. Exclusive breastfeeding mom, running a business, doing school runs, and I have 5 kids plus maybe 6. So it has not been easy. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a journey and tell you how you can as well manage your stress. It's not easy, but trust me, with time you will. So don't feel tired. If you want to create content, stand up here. If you want to do business, do not allow anything to get overwhelming to you. Try to start off from somewhere. So I'm going to be sharing my own stories on this channel, so you guys should stay tuned, and I will be dropping videos every week. to subscribe, post notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a video. Okay, so please do wait to subscribe, like the video, and also tell me how your postpartum is going with you and how many months postpartum mom you are in the comment section and location you are watching us from.